how to download apps on your iPad 11 with the A16 chip. Step number one is to find the App Store. If you do not see it anywhere, go all the way towards the right side. Go over here where you see App Library and type App, and you're going to see App Store. Tap here. Now, it's very important to know that you need to be logged in into your Apple account if you want to download any apps on your iPad. So if you're not already, tap on the top right corner over there and log yourself in by typing your password and your account credentials. Now, this is how it looks. To search for an app, a specific app, tap the magnifying glass on the top. And you'll be able to search over here for anything you wish. Let's say Facebook. Well, simply type Facebook and you will find it. If you want to browse games, simply tap games and only games will be presented to you through different categories. Same thing with apps. When you tap on apps, it's everything else apart games. All right. So again, you'll be able to browse left and right. Once you found something that you want, let's say this app, tap the Get button. If you have Touch ID, it will ask you to put your finger on the Touch ID sensor and it will start downloading. This app is free, so it didn't charge me anything. But if it had a price, well, you'll be charged whatever was there once you have confirmed using your fingerprint or by entering your password. Now you see over here, you can get an idea how much time it will take to download the app. Over here, it's 3 minutes. You can do other things. So you can exit the App Store and use your iPad or even close the screen. You don't have to stay on that page while it's downloading and installing. If you want to delete an app on your iPad, keep press on it on the home screen. Press Option if you don't see Remove App. Select Remove App, Delete App, Delete, and it will be gone. So this is about it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.